guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm not pissed. You're welcome. Oh, hi. Hi. You love me? No. Didn't even make videos for like times and times and times. You know that, guys. And yeah. So here I am. Yes. So this will be not that much long video. Why? Because this is a challenge, right? Do you know that I'm doing a challenge. Last to play fidget win. And I have a question. Can I not use my needle? Okay, something about like something. I'm too scared to pop my needle. And I don't want to pop it so bad. So can we not count that? I literally don't want to pop my needle up and yeah. But let me put my fidgets in 3, 2, 1. So guys, I got my fidgets and I got some. They're my fidgets and I guess to get my needle. And this is my needle if you want to see it. Okay, do you know this white thing? This white thing is actually a finger staring. This is actually like the color coming off, and sadly the color is coming off. And I actually don't want to break it, but I'm curious to see what's inside. Maybe milk? No, milk is not that soft. I don't want to pop it. Wait, pop it. So let's get started. Yeah, I don't know. So you guys, let's get started. So doesn't count. I don't know if it does, cause it counts as a pop tube. Like it makes noises, okay? And what I'm doing, fidgeting. Yeah, it can make shapes, okay? And I can move around with the squishy. Does squishy count? Yeah, it counts. It's a squishy. Yeah, it counts. Strawberry ice cream. Strawberry ice cream. I want to play with now is the pop tube. I don't know. Pop tube feels like much better. And it was my yellow color, my favorite color. How did you know? No, it's not my favorite color. Duh. It's purple. Yeah, so I want to roam around when I'm fidgeting. Yeah, duh. So I want a small thing, and I had a homemade needle, and I made it, and then sadly popped. Sadly. Few. Yeah, few. No, few. Yeah. I'll play with my squishy, but first let me just load it in. Like pop tube does. Pop tube, like we have to take it out and like pop. Oh no. You only have 1 second of you. Okay, I'm just showing you an example. If I should leave it for 1 second and touch no fidgets, I've been lost. I will eliminate it. Okay, back to the start. I don't have a lot of charging, you know that, guys. So I think this is gonna be a kind of short video. Battery. Okay, let me see how much my battery is. Ooh, no. Oh god, no, it's 12. Yeah, I have to play for some time. Sorry, guys. Okay, the thing about this fidget I love, this is like popcorn. You know that, guys? It's so weird. Oopsie daisy. This is where I make videos. Like, hey ladies, drop it down. Just wanted to see you. I don't know how to do the first part. It's so embarrassing. Okay. Wait. I'm sorry about that. I'm doing that. Like, I can't do the first one. Okay. Hey ladies, drop it down. Just want to see you touch the ground. Oh my god. Trumpet dancer, shake your body, belly dancer. Hey, lady, trumpet dancer. Just wanna see you. Trumpet dancer, shake your body, belly dancer. Yeah, that's kind of weird. I can't breathe for someone. This. I am elated. Wait, I'm out. I'm out of the game. I was not touching any. Oh no! Well, that was a bummer. I was not touching any fidgets and I didn't even remember. Gosh, you gotta be kidding. You gotta be kidding. You're actually gotta be kidding me. I lost. Give me a one chance, guys. Yeah, okay, one chance. That's the last chance, yeah. Yeah, I never told you guys I have one chance, but now it is. But I was touching my squishy. Look, I had my squishy with me. Look. I had my squishy and I didn't even remember. Gosh. Goshua. I'm so sad. But I got a one chance, yeah. This time I'm not losing. If you are playing with me, play. Okay, the thingy where we do like, whoo, right, whoo. Yeah, okay. I'm first, okay? Okay. I'm not playing the song, sir. I'm still playing, guys. Don't worry, don't worry. I'll just put you guys. And I'm first. 3, 2, 1. Did I made it? Okay, now your turn. 3, 2, 1. Did you made it? Don't cheat, guys. Don't. Okay, now my turn. I don't know. I did it. Mine's down. Okay, now your turn. My turn. So, yeah, I don't know. Yep, that's it. That's it. That was a lot. That was the sub game. I want to play with the puppet. I seen a trick like take any puppet, but this is kind of hard. Guys, guess how many fidgets I have? That's so obvious. I make fidget videos. You know that. I showed you my fidget collection. And do you know the fidget, the pink one, the pink thingy where we touch that thingy? It broke. It ran out of air. Sadly. Yep. Yeah. So if I see the trick when we do like this, all the puppets go there, but it doesn't work. I have to get stopped. No, it's a cap, so I have to get a cap. Oh, that's my cap. Oh, wow. Ooh, shit. So guys, I have a thing. I forgot about the fidgets. I think that is for video. Hope you guys enjoy. Can you give me a one chance? No, I can't have another chance. Sorry guys, I have to go. I love you guys so much. Stay awesome, stay safe. Yeah, stay safe. Stay awesome, stay safe. Bye. Whee. I can't believe I lost. Oh my god. No. Bye bye.